Hi friends, in this video we are going to see exercise 15.8.28 sum. In the figure given below, the medians BD and CE of triangle ABC meet at G. So the median through BD through CE. So median means nothing but the line segment joining the vertex and midpoint of opposite side. So obviously this E is midpoint of AB. So these two things are equal. The same way BD median means D is midpoint of AC, so these two things are equal. So we have to prove these two medians intersect at G. So we have to prove this EGD and CGB, these two triangles are similar. Then using this concept we have to prove BG equal to 2GD. So we have to prove these two things. This is our given figure. So since it is a median, E is midpoint of AB and D is midpoint of AC. So in lower class you learn one theorem. In a triangle, the line joining the midpoints of two sides of the triangle is parallel to third side. So third side means the side not involving in this. So the line joining the midpoints of AB and AC is parallel to BC and half of it. If this is 10 centimeter means this length surely 5 centimeter if you joining the midpoints. So midpoints of, for example, this is 8 centimeter means 4, that point is middle point. Here 9 centimeter means 4.5, this is middle point. So if you join this one means if it is 10 centimeter means surely this length is 5 centimeter and also parallel to this. So line joining the midpoints of two sides of the triangle is parallel to third side and half of it. So this statement only we are using here. So in triangle ABC, ED is parallel to BC and DE or ED is half of BC. So DE and ED both the things are same only, length representation only. So we can write here also ED. ED is half of BC. So the line joining the midpoints of two sides of triangle is parallel to third side and half of it. Okay. So now we have to prove these two triangles are similar. You can consider these two triangles in triangle EGD and triangle CGB. If these two lines are intersecting means these two angles are vertically opposite angles, these two. So vertically opposite angles are always equal. This is 16 means this is also 60 degree. The same way these two angles are vertically opposite angles, this angle and this angle. So in triangle DGE, angle DGE equal to angle CGB, angle DGE or EGD, angle EGD. Angle EGD is equal to angle CGB. So reason is vertically opposite angles are equal. So next thing is these two lines are parallel. So if you consider this one as transversal means these two angles are alternate angles. These two lines are parallel means this, if you draw on a transversal means these two angles are alternate angles. So here also this transversal, these two angles are alternate angles. So alternate angles are equal. So in these two triangles, two angles we compare and equal. So by AA postulate these two triangles are similar. So just two angles equal means corresponding angles equal means the two triangles are similar. So hence first subdivision is proved. So once the two triangles are similar means their corresponding sides are proportional. So corresponding sides, for identifying corresponding sides you have to draw the rough sketch. So EGD, then same way CGB, the vertices should be correspondence. If you put here E means the first vertices should place there only. So C, G, B, EGD, CGB. Okay. So here DG, here the corresponding side is BG. So DG by BG is equal to DE by BC. Okay, DE by BC. So DG by BG you keep as it is because that one sides involving in proof side. So DG and BG you keep as it is. DG by BG. Instead of DE we can substitute half BC. DE, then this ED or DE, so we can put half BC. So if instead of here also you write ED. Okay, ED by CB. Okay, so ED you can substitute half BC. So this BC and this BC get cancelled. So by half. So DG by dg by bg is equal to half. These two things get cancelled. Just cross multiplication. So bg equal to 2dg. So bg equal to 2dg we got. So second subdivision also we proved. So hence proved. If this is the first time you are watching my channel, please subscribe and share to your friends. Ask your doubts in comment section. I will upload immediately. Thanks for watching this video.